Repairing a Makita DML801 power switch. Case disassembly. Carefully remove the hinge casing. Remove the final screw. Carefully separate the casing. Remove the power button cover. This one was broken. Remove the circuit board. Clamp or mount for soldering. Desolder the power switch pins. I used a solder sucker and solder wick. Here I'm gently pulling on the switch and applying heat to the pins. It's free! A little more cleanup to try and clear the holes. And now the same on the new circuit board. Should have clamped a little tighter. I'm a little rusty on my soldering skill. Also, it probably would have been easier to control using my finer tip. New switch free. A little more solder cleanup on the original board. I wound up heating the pins to seat the switch. Solder the new switch in place. I cooked the center trace a bit too much, so that point kept sticking to the near side. Always tin your tip. testing with power. Both 6 and 12 LED modes work, ready to reassemble. Carefully seat wires in their guide slots. Reassemble the casing. Retorque the screws. Final test. Thanks for watching.